Well, unfortunately, millions of people get into car accidents every year, but what should you do if you're in one? Steve Floyd with Floyd Hunter Personal Injury Attorneys is here to let us know. Thank you for being here today.
Thank you so much, Ellis. It's my pleasure.
And we are talking about car accidents, and sometimes you get in those situations and you don't plan for it and you don't know what to do. What is the first thing someone should do when they're in a car accident?
Stay calm, because you've just been through probably the most stressful thing you'll go through that day. Stay calm and realize you've got some information to gather, and that's really the second tip. Get organized. Stay organized. Get your driver's license. Get your insurance information.
Right.
And then the most important thing, stay safe. If you're going to exit your car, make sure it's safe to do so.
Right. Now, what if you were injured in this car accident? What's the best line of defense then?
Well, the police are your friends, so they're there to help and document the scene and to keep everybody safe. Mention it to the investigating officer. They'll be glad to call EMS. A little tip, even if you don't need an ambulance and you know that you're hurting, if you'll mention that to the police officer, he'll at least make a note of it, even if an ambulance doesn't have to respond. And that'll help you down the road, because our opinion is if you are hurt, you're going to eventually need treatment, even if it's not emergency treatment.
Okay. And should you always call the police in those situations?
Almost always.
Okay.
You'll never regret getting an accident report. Something that most people don't know because they've never encountered it is if there's an accident on private property like a parking lot, police are not often going to do an accident report. And then it's even more important that you document, either through pictures or taking notes, what's happened and who you've been involved with.
Okay. And when do you call an attorney if you think you may need one?
Well, if you're hurt seriously, I'd say immediately, because
Right.
I am an accident attorney, but I can guarantee you the insurance company has an attorney on the job when you woke up this morning, and they're working for the insurance company. Well, we want to work for you to get a settlement that's fair, and if it's not fair, well, there are other avenues to pursue.
Okay. Well, thank you so much for being here, and how can people get in contact with you if they want to?
Thank you so much. They can call our number, 452-4000, or reach us online, floydhunter.com.
Okay, and the information's there on the screen. We appreciate you being here today.
Thank you so much.
And don't go away. Coming up.